So we are back with another video. Still on live on TikTok. We're gonna
shake the coconuts.
We've got coconuts if you can hear it. And we're gonna
very juicy.
cut them. So we don't have a machete. We don't have a very large knife. My tools that I'm gonna be using: a hammer. Why is the hammerhead bent?
Because, and I'm using this.
So where's a good spot? Do you think down the middle? That's not even making a dent. It's not even making a dent. Oh, I made a hole. No.
You got a bigger fucking thingy and you got that. Can I have this? No, because that's cheating. Because I haven't got a thingy, have I? Oh.
Oh, I've got a bit of white meat.
She went into those bits. I'm going up here.
We'll try it on the button. You got it stuck?
Oh shit.
Right here, I'll pull it. You hold on the coconut, I'll pull it.
Oh, no, I got it.
Oh shit. It's gonna squirt right. The wee one, shit. Definitely need that bigger one. Do not try this at home. Have you got it stuck? Here, you hold on the coconut. I'll pull the...
No, because otherwise we're out stuff. It's coming. The white stuff! No, I don't... No, babe.
Right, no, you hold the coconut with 2 hands.
No, because you're going to end up flinging it. No. I'll sort it. I can see it.
I can't believe you took my screwdriver.
Oh, this stuff looks rank. Oh, God, for fuck's sake, you went back in again.
Huh?
Juice come drizzling out. Oh, that would be fucked if I was on survival, wouldn't it?
As you can see, that's the progress I've made. So this is the actual coconut shell. When have you ever heard of people opening a coconut with screwdrivers and a hammer? Oh, that sounded like a good one.
Ooh!
Cheers.
Cheers.
You're not even on your camera.
Imagine having to survive off that every day.
It's actually not even that coconutty for it being coconut meat.
I still don't mind.
I could survive on that.
I could survive on the other one that we had.
So there's not a load of water in it. And it does mix by wee bits, but it's not the nicest, it's very sweet. But like, if you were starving and really, really thirsty and that was the only source of like liquid you had, that would be,
Yeah.
yeah. Here, get drink it. The meat's a different ballgame, like the meat's beautiful. We tried the coconut. Tried the water. We would survive on coconuts.
Yeah, once we get fruity, yeah.
Thanks again for watching. And hope you enjoyed it, and we'll hopefully see you in the next video.
Ciao for now.